Huawei has once again caught the tech world's attention. This time, it's the real Mate 70 Pro Plus making waves, and who better to showcase it than Huawei's own consumer business group chairman, Yu Chengdong. In a bold move, he revealed this flagship device, giving fans and consumers an up-close look at its striking design and innovative features. The Mate 70 Pro Plus was recently teased in a video shared by Yu Chengdong on his WeChat video account. The clip didn't just offer fleeting glimpses, it revealed significant details about the device, especially its unique back panel and side profile. The star of the show, the newly introduced Gold and Silver Brocade color variant. Yu explained that the phone's back cover uses a special material, making it unlike any other flagship on the market. Under the light, the back sparkles with a glittery texture, adding an air of sophistication to its premium design. Huawei has always been known for crafting visually stunning devices, and the Mate 70 Pro Plus is no exception. The back panel showcases a diagonally brushed pattern, created with intricately woven silver and golden threads. This delicate craftsmanship gives the phone a luxurious finish, setting it apart from competitors. Earlier, Huawei had showcased a turquoise back cover variant for the Mate 70 series. However, the gold and silver brocade shade, as revealed by Yu, takes elegance to a whole new level. The teaser and real-life images underline Huawei's commitment to design innovation. The rear camera module on the Mate 70 Pro Plus is another highlight. The phone features a quad-camera setup housed in a massive circular lens module. A fixed silver rim surrounds this module, enhancing its bold aesthetic. Inside, the X-Mage branding is prominently displayed at the top, showcasing Huawei's advanced imaging technology. At the bottom, an LED flash sits neatly, ensuring clarity in low-light conditions. The alignment of the lenses and the detailing around the module speak volumes about Huawei's focus on precision and performance. Yu Chengdong also gave us a peek at the phone's side profile. One noticeable feature is the enlarged power button, which is speculated to include a built-in fingerprint sensor. This integration could make unlocking the phone faster and more intuitive. However, there's one part of the device that remains a mystery: the front. Yu cleverly avoided showing it, keeping fans guessing. Based on early leaks, though, the Mate 70 Pro Plus is expected to feature a 3-hole design on the front, paired with a quad-curved display panel, similar to its predecessor. This ensures a seamless and immersive viewing experience. Yu Chengdong didn't just unveil the phone, he also shared his thoughts. Referring to the anticipation around the Mate 70 Pro Plus, he said, "Many people wanted to see if I showed my phone at the auto show. Everyone is particularly looking forward to what the Mate 70 looks like. Today, I will not hide it and show it to everyone." While his statement was playful, it left fans eager to see more of this groundbreaking device. Despite keeping the front design under wraps, Yu's reveal has successfully amplified the buzz around the Mate 70 Pro Plus. With its innovative design, premium materials, and cutting-edge features, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is shaping up to be a flagship that stands out in a crowded market. From the glittering gold and silver brocade finish to the powerful quad-camera setup, this smartphone is a testament to Huawei's ability to combine style and substance. As the Mate 70 Pro Plus gears up for its official launch, the anticipation continues to build. Stay tuned for more updates on what this stunning device has to offer. Huawei fans, it looks like the wait was worth it.